A pioneer in the development of light-curable adhesives, Dymex strives to innovate materials that address changing customer requirements. The 2000 MW series of medical adhesives was formulated to address the needs of the rapidly evolving wearable medical device market. This first-of-kind dedicated series of products for assembling medical wearables pass ISO 10993-10 for sensitization and irritation. Free from TPO, a material of concern, and made without IBOA, a known skin irritant, these adhesives address device manufacturers' concerns about skin proximity and sensitivity. These one-part formulations have no solvents added and meet ISO 10993-5 cytotoxicity biocompatibility requirements. Engineered to provide strong bonds to a wide selection of substrates, the 2000 MW series adhesives can be used in a variety of applications found within wearable medical devices. They enhance product reliability with their exceptional bond strength and dependable performance against moisture and thermal shock. Additionally, ultra-red fluorescent grades are available for quick and easy post-cure bond line inspection. For more information about the 2000 MW series adhesives, contact our application engineering team.